couple of weeks ago, I thought to myself, I'm going to create a viral video. It's going to be a YouTube short and it's going to be epic. So I went and looked for one that had been epic and I started to model mine on it. To be honest with you, it's taken so long to model mine on that to get the same kind of feel and everything else that I just gave up on that. Which is what makes today's video so interesting, because viral videos, without a shadow of a doubt, can be incredible. You can get thousands, if not hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views if the video goes viral. And if you've got your money link in there, then that is going to make a massive difference. Now, over the last few weeks, one of my business partners and close friends, Fergal, has been testing different platforms and viral videos to see which ones will work the best. During that testing, he found that there were certain platforms that just would not perform and had restrictions and wouldn't allow certain people from certain parts of the world to participate in that. So that obviously was a no-go to move forward on that, because we were looking for something that was easy for everybody to do. So he continued to test and he finally found the platform that was working for him. So we got talking about that and we thought, wouldn't it be amazing if we could put together a really simple training course with really short videos that takes somebody who's never done this stuff before by the hand, step by step, and goes like, this is what you do, this, then this, then this, then this, and you're off. And that's what we've done. In fact, we've got something here for you today called Virality, which is not only that, but I'm just about to show you what you get with it is an enormous amount of done for you viral reels. Because the thing is about viral videos, as I said at the beginning, you know, if you want to try and make them yourself, that's going to be hard work, but it doesn't have to be if you get the rights to use them, and that's what we've got for you today. So first of all, let me show you how many videos I've got for you. You're going to be blown away. I've just literally had to go outside and check with Fergal to make sure that I'd got this right, because it was enormous. It is enormous. Take a look at it now. So I just started scrolling through and I expected it to stop around about now. And then I kept on scrolling, and as I was continuing to scroll, I was thinking to myself, you know, maybe it's done that thing where it kind of like resets and flips back and you don't realise it, right? Because I saw sometimes they were the same people, but that's because they were the like famous people, you know. And then I realised that it actually was scrolling and scrolling. Now, all the time I've been talking, I've been scrolling, as you can probably see. And over on the right-hand side, you can just see the little bar on that browser as it's moving down to give you an idea of how far we've gone. So these videos, this is like, I mean, this is going to last you forever, but there's so much in here and so much potential to get viral videos going. You know, all you need is that one to just take off. And these are proven, tested videos, viral videos. It just takes the guesswork out of it for you, and it absolutely takes the work out of it for you. So I'm just going to, if I just move a little bit faster, I just wanted to give you a full feel for how many are in here. I'm going faster and faster and faster now, and we've still not got to the bottom. There's a lot. I think it's about 1,000 videos in total. So let's just take one, I don't know, at random. Going to take a chance, but I just double click this. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear it, but if you can.
That's horseshit. Let me tell you why that's horseshit. I look like this.
No, I don't know if you could hear that, but I just wanted to give you, kind of indication of what you get here. So what this is, in a nutshell, is a members area. You're going to get a members area, enter your details in, you log in, and then you've got your training. Let me show you what that looks like. So you've got your training videos, overview, setting up your account, connecting accounts, descriptions, virtual assistant, additional tips, done for you, post-ready reels, and conclusion. And most of these videos are very, very short. So if I just click this, you can see that's 4 minutes 37, right? Probably I would estimate with all the videos in here, within 20 minutes you could be done and dusted. So you get the training. Now the training is based on what Fergal was testing, right? So Fergal has been looking for videos that would go viral on the right platform. So he's found the platform, he's found the videos, we've put all that together with a few videos to tell you how to do it, and that's it basically. Now you can get your hands on this for just $12.95. That's for That's for the training and all those viral videos, which is just bonkers, I know. And I am genuinely excited. I know people say, "Oh, I'm so excited, like to be releasing this," and I am genuinely bloody excited because of how huge it is. Right, so you've definitely got a massive chance of going viral with this. So you get the training on what to do using the strategies, the secret sauce strategies that Fergal has mastered over the last few months, testing it and tweaking it, and then you get the videos to upload as well. And you get all of that for just $12.95. But to sweeten the deal, I've got a massive bonus bundle as well. Let me show you what I'm going to give you for free when you pick this up through me now. So this is my exclusive bonus bundle. You'll get access to this document. All the, the blue underline, they're links, right? You click on and then a clickable link pops up and then you click straight through to that bonus. So if you pick up virality through me, not only do you get that incredible, enormous amount of videos to use and the training on how to do it and how Fergal found the most effective way to do it, but you also get these as well. So you're going to get 300 extra motivational videos, 500 kids fantasy colouring pages with PLR, the colouring pages that you can then use to create colouring books and you can sell and keep all the money you make because it's PLR, 300 viral quote images, Bible viral quote images, and that's to go viral on social media and stuff like that. You get that with PLR. So all these with PLR, you could just sell the pack if you wanted to and just keep all the money you make. 500 farm life colouring pages, again to make colouring books or sell as is. How to make money online with PLR. How to make money online with simple affiliate reviews, Warrior Plus affiliate training step by step, how to make amazing images using the new Midjourney web platform, that's new training by me, how to create a powerful list building lead magnet using AI, again brand new training by me, and why being over 50 years old isn't too late to make money online, which actually works if you're under 50 as well. Just thought I'd point that out. Also going to give you travel videos PLR pack, 200 videos there, and another 300 travel videos as well. So you could use those to go viral. Travel videos are always very effective in going viral. So, there's a ton of stuff here. Plus 15 million PLR assets. Yep, 15 million. 300 drone footage videos with PLR and 3,000 motivational image quotes with PLR rights. All right. So you get all of those free as a bonus, and you're only spending $12.95. Now, in order to qualify, all you need to do is click on my link. The link will be below this video. Click on that link. Go through to the sales page. When you get to the sales page, click on the buy button, the add to cart button. Then when you get through to the checkout page, at the very bottom of the checkout page, there are the words powered by Warrior Plus. You're looking for my name when you hover over the little round person icon next to that. You want to hover over and you're looking for Trevor Carr. If you see that, that means that you are cooked to me and that bonus bundle there is going to be inside your Warrior Plus account, which is the platform that you'll be buying it on. So you'll get instant access to all those bonuses, but only if you buy through me. Now, it will say at the top that the vendor is Trevor C. Yes, that's me, but for the bonuses here, you need the affiliate to be me as well. And that's at the bottom, powered by Warrior Plus, little round person icon, hover over that, and then you'll know you're cookie to me and you'll get access. Okay. Now, if you're watching this on YouTube, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, because I'm uploading a lot of free content at the moment, which is content that's going to teach you how to make money online, how to use AI, how to do all sorts of things online, and I would normally charge for it. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know in the comments below that you're going to give this a go by saying something like, "I'm up for this, Trev." I will personally reply to you and I would love to see your results. So make sure you come back and show me how you got on. In the meantime, you just need to go and grab this now because it's an insane deal. So go ahead, do that now, and I'll see you soon. All the best.